Hi guys, I'm Cheryl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this look. I hope you like it. And if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So today I'm going to be using my go-to primer, which is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. You know I love this. I apologize if you can hear the fan. It's just today is really hot and I had to turn it on. So today for foundation, I'm going to be wearing the Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick, which is this one, in shade 404. This is a more natural foundation, I would say. I really like it because it's like your skin but better. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Bite Size e.l.f. palette shadows. This one's called Truffles. I'm going to use that same color on the lower lash line. I'm going to deepen the crease with this one. Same color on the lower lash line. All over the lid, I'm going to use this one. I'm using the Dragon Liner. Hey guys, so my battery died. Sorry about that, but I'm going to tell you what I did on my face. For bronze and highlight, I used this one from NYX. For blush, I used the Jordana. The color is Tender Tea Rose. Which, by the way, these are very affordable. And I don't see nobody talking about them. And they have amazing shades. They last all day. I mean, I don't know why people don't talk about them that much. For lashes, I actually got this box, I think last year on my BoxyCharm, and I never tried them. It's the Lava Lashes. And this is, I think they're called Charm. I'm not sure. But they're pretty good. They're a thicker band, so you can kind of feel them on your eyes. But they're not bad. They're still comfortable. They're like in between of being almost uncomfortable, but they're comfortable. And for lips, I used a Dose of Colors in shade Mood. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell on, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!